Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Hey guys, so Josh said he needed my help with something like a new mod for his car, so let's go ahead and check it out and see what he needs.
Hey dude,
So,
what you got going on now? Oh, the whole center console's kind of apart.
kind of? A little bit. So I got this like new piece. It's gonna go obviously right there. And then this is gonna be changed too. So it's gonna be like,
Oh, so it's gonna be like the newer EVOs
Yeah,
with the
exactly.
little doors in there. Okay.
yeah. So when you open it,
Oh,
it just looks a lot cleaner, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But like compared to here, I got it. Compared to what it was before, it's just like an empty pocket.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It looks really old.
Alright, let's go ahead and try and put this thing in. Alright, so I'm not too sure what he has going on here. Oh, this is new. The like handle here. You said you were stuck on this? Yeah, there's like a rubber thing on. There's like a little rubber piece inside there. So there's this like rubber piece here, and it's actually really hard to take this off. But you have another one of this, right? There's a rubber piece inside here, but this one's like really stuck in there. This comes out, and then you just unscrew this. I didn't know that was a screw. And this whole thing comes out like that, see?
Shit, I didn't know that.
Yeah. So we'll just keep this here. So we have one issue resolved. You probably have to get, because there's a clip here, I probably would need needle nose pliers. Yeah, so this will have to come out because there's a clip on top here, you see?
Needle nose.
Yeah, so you'll have to pinch this two in. So Josh recently has been adding some interior mods to his car. The OEM trim piece here, it kind of looks like carbon fiber, but not really. I think it looks like a fishnet or something. Same with the door, and he got the matching like trim piece here that has the same pattern. And the thing that we're changing here and here also has the same trim piece. So I haven't seen this done on an EVO yet. I don't think I've seen this on a Lancer even, but it's something unique. I haven't seen this before. It looks kind of cool. It looks unique. Alright, so there was just a little zip tie around the shift boot here, and now I cut it off. So all we have to do is peel this thing over, take out the shift boot. How did you do that, Mick? You don't have
But how do you take that part off?
Well, I cut the zip tie with this because it has like a little side cutter in there. I don't even know. I've never taken this out of my EVO. If this one's a goner, then
It's okay, we have another one.
yeah.
Like the new e-brake I put in?
Yeah. There you go. I got it. Okay, so this was just like a rubber sleeve that got like super tight inside here, and this thing was just kind of pushing and kind of crimping it down, and the shift knob was just pulling this out and got super tight. So you should be all good now. Well, you could reuse this because it's still okay, but since you have an extra shift boot.
Yeah. So now I'm pretty sure we just need to take these two screws off, because we need to try to get this whole thing
Out?
Yeah.
Is this the screwdriver you used?
Yeah.
Why do you use this one, dude?
I couldn't find it, but it's actually really nice. Shout out to Audi. They made that.
Dude, we got this at the junkyard, bro.
I don't think we need to take that out though. It's more of this.
We might have to take this out to take this out.
You're right. Pull it like out through here. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's the whole thing. Holy shit, man. Oh, there's a screw in there. Yeah, right.
I don't know, dude. Maybe. Just take out all your stuff there. Okay, so we have to take this little clip out. There we go. There she is. So this came out. You see, it's like a V clip. I don't even know what it's called. And we took out two 10mm bolts inside the glove box.
It's kind of dirty in there.
And then this whole thing just lifted out.
Sweet.
It's weird because it felt like there was clips
more
in here,
yeah.
but Josh, when you're taking this stuff, I kind of just look at it. I'm like, okay, this has to come out. This has to come out. Oh, there's a screw here at the back here, behind here.
Oh, way back there.
Way back there, yeah. It's kind of like a Honda. The EKs are kind of like this too.
Where is it? It's right there.
Alright, so we got the side pieces off and it kind of felt kind of sketchy. If you guys have removed like interior pieces before, they usually feel like they're just about to break, but they're all plastic clips, so we were good there. I was just scared that there was a screw and I was gonna break something. But behind this panel, there are a couple, I think, how many screws are there? One?
Just one.
Oh, so, okay, so just one screw there. And after that, this whole thing should pop off, I think. But we're just going, we haven't watched any YouTube videos or anything on how to remove this. We're just kind of doing it.
I actually tried to and there's nothing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright, look at that, the first on YouTube. Okay, so we have to remove this before taking out this piece, because we looked at the new piece and there are 2 screws on top there. So we have to remove this trim piece on top to access these 2 screws or bolts or whatever they are. And then I think that should be it. That's why it's a bigger job than you initially thought.
At least we're filming it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually a good idea.
It's a bigger job. That's the screw we have to access. All the way in there. You guys can see it. This comes off there.
There's wires.
Okay.
Holy. Yo, there's no way the head unit has to.
Yeah, the head unit has to come out.
I literally took the head unit out like a week ago too.
So, how do you take off the head unit? Is it? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, that's
Oh
easy.
shit. I thought it'd be really hard to take it out. So it should just pop out after you unbolt those, and then you just pry it open at this side here.
Yeah, they're just all clips now, so.
This is actually not that bad.
Well, you have everything apart now,
Yeah.
but yeah, it's not too bad.
Then obviously the wires and everything, you gotta take apart.
She's not wanting to come out today, boys.
Wait, we have to, no, you don't need to take this out because this has to go on that one anyways.
Hold on, there's one more plug back here, please, come on. Come on, Brittany. Dude, all of your wires here are just stuck. They feel like they've never come out before. There. Oh, alright.
So let's see this.
This is the old one.
This is the old one.
It honestly, like looking at it, it looks like just a Lancer part. There's no chrome.
Out with the old, in with the new. Sheesh. Yeah, it looks a lot better, man.
Yeah, this one has like, you know, some plastic chrome.
It's not really focusing. Yeah, there we go.
See it? Yeah. So this one has little doors that kind of open up like that.
The old one's just like a box.
Yeah, it's just a box. The chrome piece around here kind of looks cool. And the door.
It makes it look a lot newer, so.
It's like you want an Audi, but you have a Mitsubishi. Yeah, this is an OEM Mitsubishi part, so this should just click in like OEM. Because it is OEM. Boom, look at that.
Yeah, that looks a lot better.
You can actually get like the chrome thing
Yeah.
on top. Alright, so we got everything in. We just checked if the cigarette lighter is working because we just plugged it in and everything's all good to go. So Josh now has 2 doors in the small ass cubby there and another small ass cubby there. I don't know what would you use this for?
My phone, if I'm charging it from here to there, just pop that in.
But wouldn't that be in the way of your...
Not really, not like all the way. It's, dude, I'll figure it out.
Okay. Well, another thing I wanted to ask is this does come with the OEM shift boot. Do you want to put the Recaro one in?
I was thinking, I don't know if I should put this one on or just leave that one on. Because, I mean, this one did look good.
Yeah, it looked pretty good in my
that's
opinion.
This is the old one.
Yeah.
This is the new one. So
I personally like this one because it adds more color into the black interior of the EVO. It's so like boring and plasticky.
yeah, sure, we'll put it in.
Yeah. So we almost have everything in.
It's coming together.
Oh, maybe you needed this too.
Did I?
Yes.
Dude, I knew there was something missing.
There was something. Okay. Yeah.
Fuck, dude, that's exactly what was missing. I was like, dude, this is gonna look shitty.
All right, so we have everything pretty much in. Josh is just fixing up the shift boot. We forgot this white piece, that retainer there, and everything's pretty much in. Everything works. Oh, that's cool. I haven't really seen this move before.
Stings the nostrils in a good way. Yeah. Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you. That smells like pure gasoline.
Alright, so this actually looks pretty good. I didn't think it was gonna look this good, but with it closed and everything. Oh, how's the fitment? Oh, it's okay. You need a screw. There's 2 screws here. You should be all good to go, dude.
Dude, I'm trying to figure out where did these 2 screws come from? I don't
Yeah,
know.
you know, when you take stuff apart in a car, you usually have extras. Honestly, I think it's from, from here, probably. We still have 1 piece missing. Jeez, how much you have to screw in the shift knob? Jesus Christ. Oh, and it's upside down, too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Alright, so we are all done with the install. I think it looks actually pretty good. At first, I didn't think I was gonna like it, but honestly, I might actually do this to my EVO because it looks really good. I like the little, how the little shape here, how it's like, it kind of contrasts because this is like matte and this is like shiny. So it actually looks, I don't know, it looks a lot newer.
With the trim.
Yeah, it matches with the OEM trimming too. I might, if I do it, I might not do this pattern. I might do like a brushed look because my trim here is brushed and stuff, so I might do that. But how do you feel, Josh?
I like it. I think it was a solid purchase.
And it didn't cost that much either because it was all like this is an OEM piece, right? So this was just off another EVO, like a part out or something.
Yeah, so it was actually a nice thing. The thing is, I bought this first and I forgot that you need to get this piece.
Yeah.
Because you can't
you can't use the old one. This is like off of like I think a 2012 EVO and newer. And this you have like little doors too. I don't know why they didn't make it just the whole thing, right? I feel like that would have been better, but still.
I think there's something there. I don't know. I don't like how slow it opens.
Yeah, it opens up really slow, but
I think it's brand new, so
yeah, it'll break
probably,
in. Yeah, that was actually pretty good. I like this install.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for the help, Mike.
No problem, dude.
Could have not done it without you.
No problem, you just owe me bubble tea. And that's gonna be all for the install. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out, and make it happen.